I love this already. I know this is a super simple project, but sometimes that's all you need. Like, I'm very, very happy with this outcome, and I honestly think that I will use this all the time. I am so happy with this. I realized, and probably you noticed that too, there is some space left at the bottom. And I decided not to do anything else with the Zippo because I think sometimes simple is the way to go. So I decided to leave it as is, and I really do not want to change the outside appearance of the Zippo because it's such an iconic design that I thought about adding a bit holder or magnet or bottle opener, but honestly I think this would kind of defeat the purpose to have this super nice and slick piece with you all the time. That's easy to go into your pocket, it doesn't really bother you, it feels so nice, and it's a really great, design in general. So if you have an idea of what to do with this little bit of space on the bottom, maybe you don't mind changing the outside appearance of the Zippo, maybe you have a really cool idea how to integrate something special, let me know either in the comments below, or better yet, make your own video about this. I would love to see your guys' approach, and I'm just over the moon with this. I will use this all the time. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next week with a new video. Whoop.